Hello viewers, welcome to Hema's Healthy and Tasty Recipes. Today I am going to show you a whole wheat, low fat and sugarless cake which will be very tasty and healthy too. So I'm I am saying it low fat because we are not going to use any butter and half the amount of oil we are going to use, and instead of sugar we will be using the dates and banana. So the sweetness of banana and dates will be sufficient. So now we will see the procedure. Take one ripe banana and mash it. To the mashed banana add 60 ml of yogurt and mix it. In the meanwhile, take 80 grams of pitted or seedless dates, add some water and cook till they are soft. Now add 30 ml of oil. We are taking almost just half a quantity of oil. As this is a low fat recipe, we are not using butter and we are using only half the amount of the oil, and whisk it. Dates are cooked. Now mash them into a smooth paste. Now take around 65 grams of whole wheat flour, but I am taking 50 grams of whole wheat flour and 15 grams of cocoa powder to make it a chocolate flavor. I added 15 grams of cocoa powder to 50 grams of whole wheat flour. I will add half teaspoon of baking powder. Now add around 1 tablespoon of dark chocolate chips, which consists of very less amount of sugar. So these are the dry ingredients which are ready now. Now we will see the wet ingredients. Now to the wet ingredients add the dates pulp which is smashed. This is the dates pulp. I mashed it with the fork spoon. You can also use a blender to soften it. Now add this to the wet ingredients. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda and using a whisk make a smooth and soft paste. Now add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, which is pure vanilla extract. Now add just a pinch of salt, around 1/8 teaspoon. Add 1 egg. And whisk it properly. Now our wet ingredients and the dry ingredients are ready. Before we mix them, preheat the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for around 5 to 10 minutes. And now we will prepare the loaf pan. Now grease the loaf pan with the oil or butter so that the cake will not stick to it. Now dust some flour to it. I coated the loaf pan with some flour. Now put the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix slowly. We should not over mix. We should gently mix it to form the cake batter. Now transfer this batter to the loaf pan. Level it. And now put it in the oven and bake until a toothpick inserted in the center will come out clean. It is done now. Now I will show you the toothpick test. Insert it and it should come out clean. So now we have to let it cool. Then after we have to remove this. Just run the knife like this so that if the cake is sticking, then it will come out easily. Now we can remove it by tilting it onto the plate. So viewers, this is the whole wheat, low fat and sugarless cake, or a loaf bread, whatever you can call it. It will be very healthy. Please try it and subscribe and share if you like it.